My measurement of how long of a screw I should be using is what is the first material I am screwing through. If I am screwing through the 1x6 into a piece of 1x, I should be using 1 5/8 because the outside piece, the first piece I'm screwing through, is 3/4 of an inch. So I need to be at least twice as long without going overboard. So 1 5/8 or 2 inch are fine. If I'm screwing through that 1x6 into a 2x4, same screw. I'm going through the first piece is 3/4 of an inch. So twice 3/4 of an inch is 1 1/2 inches. So 1 5/8 or 2 inch screws. This is a 2x4 framed platform. The 2x4 is 1 1/2 inches wide. So I need to be at least twice that. So I have to use the 3-inch drywall screws. I can't use the 2 1/2. I need to use the 3-inch drywall screws. Twice this distance is what I need to be to make sure that I'm securing and adequately anchoring into the other piece on the other side of it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.